Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're installing a complete custom bedroom, including a built-in wardrobe and a custom bed. Every piece of furniture you see was designed, measured and manufactured specifically for this apartment. Now it's time to bring everything together and transform this empty room into a beautiful and functional living space. Let's get started. The first step is bringing all the furniture panels and hardware into the room. Every panel has to be handled carefully to avoid scratches or damage during transportation. We also organize every component according to the installation sequence. A clean and organized workspace helps the team work faster and reduces mistakes during assembly. Good preparation is the foundation of every successful installation. The wardrobe is installed first because it's the largest piece of furniture in the room. Installing it before the bed gives us more space to work and makes moving large panels much easier. Each side panel, shelf and back panel is assembled carefully according to the design drawings. Throughout the installation, we continuously check the vertical and horizontal alignment. Even a few millimeters of error can affect the wardrobe and bed are installed, we move on to the finishing details. This stage requires patience and attention to detail. We adjust every gap between the cabinet doors. We make sure the drawers slide smoothly. Every screw is checked one final time. Finally, we clean all visible surfaces and remove dust and fingerprints left during installation. These small finishing touches are what separate professional craftsmanship from ordinary work. The transformation is almost complete just a few hours ago. This was an empty room. Now it has become a warm, modern, and functional bedroom. Every piece of furniture fits perfectly because it was custom made for this space. This is one of the biggest advantages of custom furniture. Every centimeter is designed to maximize comfort, storage, and aesthetics. Watching an empty room slowly become someone's future home is always one of the most rewarding parts of our work. Today's video, there are many more exciting apartment projects coming soon. If you enjoy furniture installation, home renovation, and complete apartment transformations, don't forget to subscribe to Morphly and join us on